Today we're going to construct a tool for making squares using two theorems from geometry. This tool will be helpful whenever we want to make squares in future constructions. So first let's start by creating a new Sketchpad. The next thing we'll do is create the side of our square. Then we will use the compass tool to create a circle with the radius, the length of the side of the square that we're going to create. Next, we're going to draw upon the theorem that there's a perpendicular line through any line and a point on that line. So select the point of the line and construct the perpendicular. We'll do that again. And finally, we'll use the theorem that all points are equidistant on a circle from the center. This will give us two equal sides that are perpendicular to each other. And finally, I'm going to again use the theorem. And last but not least, I will form the intersection of the upper right. You can now see the square formed here, but what we will do now is we will show how to automate this task for future use. First, I'm going to create the actual segments on top of the lines using the Snap To feature in Geometer Sketchpad. Okay, now I will highlight the original 2 points and all 4 segments. Sometimes I'll probably have to double click on each segment as there's a line that lies underneath it. And finally, I will use the custom tool feature and create a new tool with the previous items selected. I'll call it New Square Tool, click OK. Now to verify that this is actually replicating, what I'll do is create a new document. And then I will select my New Square Tool from the drop-down menu. And note, now what I'm doing is I'm dragging the original segment that we created, and the rest of the segments are automatically generated from the exercise we just did. Thank you. View more of our Sketchpad demonstrations as well as other helpful classroom activities at www.visualizingmathematics.com.